So yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, Mr. Bates.
Thank you. My name is Jim Bates. I'm from Fort Worth, and I'm a constituent of District 12. And I represent the Funeral Consumer Alliance of Texas and also serve on the National Board of Directors of the Funeral Consumer Alliance. We are the nonprofit agency who represents and advocates for funeral consumers in the nation and also locally. I have attended most of the statewide stakeholder meetings, and this has been a very interesting subject with a lot of discussion on it. As we just spoke, there's been quite a few abuses across the state and across the nation, and it's causing the families to be distrustful. They don't want to donate body parts because of some of this that's been in the media. Because of that, there's a short supply of body parts, and due to that, there's the price right now for a human body is about $100,000. Just counting people in the room in the chamber earlier this morning, there's about $20 million worth of body parts in the chamber, say about 9 or 10 o'clock this morning. The reason I say that, yeah, we're worth a lot more dead than alive.
The senators are half price. Go ahead.
But the reason I say that is to give an idea of the amount of commerce and the amount of lure to people who are shady characters who want to get into the business, as we've seen. So we definitely support this bill, this committee substitute, to put the chain of custody, to require certification from the American Association of Tissue Banks, and get some tighter control. One thing we would like substitute or some wording put into the bill if possible is this report from 2000 from the Office of Inspector General of Health and Human Services at the federal level, and they recommend some labeling on each package of each body part to say that the body, what's in that package, is donated human body parts. And the idea there is to denote respect for the parts that are in that packaging. That package, those packaged body parts end up with everything else in medical supply and commerce. That's on the truck with everything else. And we're hoping that this will help the people that are transporting the parts to have more respect. But most of all, from my standpoint, is to ensure funeral consumers that the parts will be treated with a lot of respect when they're out there in the realm of commerce. So that's all I have for today.
Mr. Chairman?
Senator Nelson.
You will be so happy because the committee substitute that we just passed out not only has the suggestions that you came to us with that I thought were very good and made a good bill better, but we also added the part that you just described about having the labeling is in the committee substitute.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, thank you for coming here.
Mr. Cutler, now that we know your